The Mod spreader beam is lightweight, portable and modular in design. The beam components can be reused for different lifts. Simply remove the nuts, bolts and washers as shown here. As you can see, multiple struts can be joined together to assemble the spreader beam. When multiple struts are being used, the longest strut should always be positioned in the middle of the beam. Each Modulift spreader beam includes your selected struts, 2 end units, 2 drop links and nuts and bolts as standard. The end units attach to either end of the beam, followed by the drop links. The shackles are then connected using a pin and nut. Always make sure the larger shackle is on the top and the smaller shackle is on the bottom. Available in a range of sizes from Mod 6 up to the Mod 3000, each spreader beam is supplied with a set of user instructions, which should always be read prior to assembly. This is where you will find the bolt tightening torque, work and load limit, and recommended configurations for your spreader beam. Should you need a specific length strut, our team would be happy to discuss your requirements.